this is the elevator at the Colonie Center Mall in Albany, New York. And the reason why I'm starting on the second floor is because the first floor is right at the security desk, which we don't want to basically more like trespassing, whatever. I don't want to get like that. Look at that quiet chime right there. All right. Let's go down to 1. As for Schindler, don't close button. I think the best works. Okay, so anyway. Oh, okay.
Just wait, right, Cole?
Oh, sorry, I didn't see you.
It's okay.
I didn't see you.
You know, okay. That's fine.
The post does not work. I don't get your picture taken when I have you. Pretty nice elevator. I guess these are your HDVR fixtures. Here are 1. Have a good day. Have a good day, guys.
Oh, I didn't know. I thought you was on the phone. Thank you. You too.
How you doing?
Relax a little bit.
Okay, listen to the motor. Be quiet. Because the third floor was closed, okay? It's locked off. So yeah, that's why. Watch it close up. To be honest, I'm actually a fan of Schindler 3 for years and why, so that's why. So anyways, there it goes. And this elevator was installed in 2004, I believe. That's it.